You know what really attracted us to ProVia was not only the energy efficiency, but just how beautiful the doors and windows are and the various options that we had to make them uniquely our own. The entry door that we originally had was a full panel, a solid panel wood door. Finish on it was badly faded and it really needed to be replaced. What we found was that within our home, right inside the front door, it was extremely dark. And we were looking for ways to kind of brighten up the room, and so we decided to replace that solid panel front door with a full glass door from ProVia. We wanted more light, but we also wanted privacy. So we picked a really stylish glass design that offers us privacy glass as well as a beautiful design. What we like about the windows is how easy they are to open and clean. They're not too heavy to open. I can do it myself. They're easy to clean, they're easy to put back in place, and they always look beautiful. The sliding glass door that we picked helped us to improve the functionality of the prior sliding door, which, because of age and the house settling, was no longer functioning as well as it could. Now that we have this, really nice heavy-duty ProVia door, we find that the door opens and closes much more easily. The current doors and windows that ProVia offers are highly energy efficient, and we thought that as we're heading into retirement, where we will likely eventually have a more fixed income, that we'd really want to be able to control some of our costs, including energy expense. And so we decided that now was a good time to get those installed so we could start reaping those benefits.